Now we'll talk about multiplying binomials, and I'll show you a method called the FOIL method. And this is probably the most common way to do it, and you hear this term FOIL used in just about every algebra class and algebra textbook, at least that I've ever seen. FOIL is an acronym. It stands for first, the O stands for outer, and the I stands for inner, and the L stands for last. First, outer, inner, last. And you remember that with the word FOIL. Now here's how you use that word to actually solve a problem. Suppose you have this, a plus 3 times a plus 7. Well, I have two binomials. I'm going to look at the first term from each binomial. That's the first, the F. And then the O stands for outer. I look at the outer two terms. And the I stands for inner, so I look at the inner two terms. And then the L stands for last, so I look at the last two terms. And in each case, I multiply those together. So the first is a times a, the first two terms. That gives me an a squared. The outer is a times 7. I'll write that as 7a. And then the inner is 3 times a, the inner two terms, so I write plus 3a. And then the last term from each binomial is 3 times 7, so I write plus 21. And then the 7a and the 3a get combined, so I have a squared plus 10a plus 21. So the FOIL is just a method for getting each term from one binomial multiplied by each term from the other. And we said earlier that that is the main idea. We need to make sure each term from one binomial is multiplied by each term from the other. And the FOIL gets us there. Here's an